Hello friends, welcome to Computer Byte. In today's video we will be working on conditional formatting. With the help of conditional formatting we will use different formatting for different conditions. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. For conditional formatting I'll need a set of numbers first, so I'm entering some numbers. Okay, now select these numbers and in home tab use conditional formatting. Here we have different sets of conditions. We will use the first one. Highlight cell rules. It will highlight some cells if we use these rules. So first I am going to get greater than. Now it automatically puts 55 because it's almost an average. So we can enter here if we want to highlight those numbers which are greater than 70. So I enter 70 and press OK, and those numbers which are greater than 70 in our selection set are selected. I'm going to undo this and again take highlight cell rules. Now the second one, which is less than. If we want to take numbers which are less than 40, here we go. We can change the format for this as well. They are a light red from highlighted. So conditional format and come to whatever condition you want to take. Here this is the format. You can change this to any other format or customize it your own way. Now I am going to take this as single underline and the color should be this one, and I'll apply a border to this. Okay, and I'll fill it with yellow color. Okay, now you can see that the format has been changed. Now I have taken the between option, so I'm entering between 40 and 70. So those numbers which are between 40 and 70, they are selected. You can press OK, and here we go. Now I'll again go to highlight cell rules. Now equal to, I'll give a number which is equal to, in case 56, and the 56 is selected. And you can format the, you can change the format as well. Okay, now once again it is this one is text that contains. So for this we need some names or some text, so I'm entering here are some names. Now I'll select these and go to conditional format, text that contains. Now whichever name I enter here, it will be selected. In case I'm selecting entering cross. Okay, and this name is selected. It works for a longer list. Here we have only around about 10 names, but It works for longer lists. So when we can't find a name or a word, it is very easy to highlight it. Okay. For the next option, you'll need some dates. So I am entering dates here. Okay. I'll use autofill so that the dates are more than one. Yes. Now I have selected these. Conditional format, highlight cell rules, a date occurring. Now yesterday. So if the date is in our list, it will be selected. Now today, tomorrow, in the last 7 days, yes, last week, this week, next week, and last month. So there is no one from the last month, this month, all of them are from this month. Next month we don't have any date from next month. If we uh, simply drag this, now check date. Okay, next month, so this one is from the next month, so it is selected. Okay, I'll go back to the set of the numbers which I have entered, and next we have the duplicate values condition. It will highlight those numbers which are duplicated. So yes, duplicate. Okay, now 23 and 78, both these numbers are repeated twice, so they are duplicated and selected here. Next we have top bottom rules. If we use the first one, which is the top 10 items, then from our list top 10 items will be selected, and we can reduce increase the number of top items. In case I am selecting top 5. Okay, now 5 numbers which are in the top of our list are selected. Then the second rule, that is top 10%. You can change the percentage to 15 or to whatever you like. Now it is selected 15. Okay, and 3 top members are selected. Now bottom 10 items, can reduce this. Okay, bottom 10 items and same bottom 10%. These two are selected now. Next we have above average. When we select a list, average is shown here. It is 56.04 and something. Now conditional format, top bottom rules, above average. It will highlight those numbers which are above our average. So these are the lists which are highlighted. Next is below average. So these numbers will be selected which are below our average. Okay, now the data bars. You have to select one to understand it. Yes, you can see that the numbers which are greater, their bars are more longer and the cell is more filled, and which are smaller numbers, then their bar is not filled. Okay, you can use different colors. Yes, now go back to conditional formatting and you'll use color scales. You can see that this one If the number is smaller, then the highlighted cell is highlighted with red color, and if it is in between, then it is yellow, and if it is a greater number, then it is highlighted green. So we can use this, and red, yellow, green color scales, but it is opposite to that now, and we can use different sets of colors here. Now the next option is icon sets. Three arrows colored. For greater number, the green one is used. For medium numbers, the yellow one, and the red one is for the small numbers. And we have different sets of icons here to use. In case I'm using this one, the rating. Smaller numbers have smaller rating, and greater numbers have greater rating. If you understood the video and liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.